Introduction and History of IIT Patna. The Indian Institute of Technology, Patna is one of the premier institutions of higher education in India, known for excellence in science, technology and research. It was established on August 6, 2008 by an Act of Parliament as a part of expansion of the IIT system to promote technical education in different regions of the country. IIT Patna is among the 8 new IITs established by the Government of India during that phase, reflecting the nation's vision to spread quality education beyond traditional urban centers. Initially, IIT Patna operated from the temporary campus at the Navin Government Polytechnic, Patliputra Colony, Patna. In 2015, it shifted to its permanent campus at Bihta, about 35 km from Patna city. The move marked a significant step forward as the new campus was equipped with a modern infrastructure, research laboratories and residential facilities designed to foster innovation and learning. The institute founding director was Professor Anil K. Bhowmik, followed by other eminent academicians who contributed to shaping its academic and administrative framework. Since its inception, IIT Patna has aimed to produce not only skilled engineers but also innovators and leaders who can contribute meaningfully to the society. Its functions under the Minister of Education's Government of India and follow the academic and administrative structures of other IITs, ensuring uniformity in standard and opportunity. Over the year, IIT Patna has established itself as a center of excellence in engineering, education, research and entrepreneurship. It has developed collaboration with several international institutions and industries to provide global exposure to its students and faculty. The institute is constantly ranked among the top engineering colleges in India by the National Institutional Ranking Framework and other educational agencies. Located in Bihar, a region with rich historical and cultural heritage, IIT Patna plays a vital role in promoting technological advancement in eastern India. It has contributed significantly to the development of local industries and innovations ecosystem through outreach program, research initiative, and skill development activities. The institute visions to be recognized as a global leader in education, research, and innovation, drives its mission to empower students with knowledge, creativity, and sense of responsibility. Thus, from its humble beginning in 2008 to its rise as reputed institute, IIT Patna stands today as a symbol of progress and promises, bridging a gap between traditional and technology and shaping the future of education in India.